In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create jump links in Elementor, which is a fantastic way to improve navigation on your website, guiding visitors smoothly between different sections of your page. Whether you're trying to direct a user to a contact section or want them to quickly access additional information tucked away further down the page, jump links will surely come in handy for enhancing user experience and engagement. The good news is that this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Firstly, let's get started within the Elementor editor. Open up the page where you want to add your jump link. The first method we're using today involves the menu anchor widget. This widget acts as a destination point for your link, allowing your visitors to jump directly to the section they need. Once you've opened your page, drag the menu anchor widget from the Elementor panel and drop it into the section of your page where you want visitors to arrive after they've clicked the jump link. This could be anywhere on your page, such as an About Us section or a point of interest specific to your content. With the widget in its proper place, you'll see the settings panel appear. This is where you assign the anchor ID. Here, you'll need to enter a unique identifier. Think of it like giving your section a name. Let's say About section for practicing purposes. It's crucial to remember to use plain text without any symbol preceding it, like a hashtag or special character, just the name itself. Make sure it's easy to remember and relevant to the section it represents, as this will ensure clarity later on. Now that we've set up where we want our visitors to land, it's time to create the jump link itself. You have a couple of options here. You can choose a button, a heading, or some text on your page from where you want the jump link to originate. Click on that widget to access its settings. Within those settings, you'll find the link field, which is your key to connecting everything you've set up so far. Here, you'll type in a hashtag followed by the anchor ID you specified earlier. In this case, it would be About section. This hashtag and ID tell Elementor exactly where to send the user when they interact with your link. Alternatively, text can also be wrapped to serve as your jump link. Just select the portion of the text that you want to transform into a clickable link, and apply the same linking approach using a hashtag followed by your anchor ID. And there you have it, an intuitive jump link ready to make navigation a breeze for your website visitors. By following these steps, you can enhance the user experience on your site, helping them find necessary information quickly and efficiently. With this simple technique, your website becomes more user-friendly and professional. Happy creating!